everybody! Welcome to part 2 of my Halloween ribbon series. It's Nancy, the Ribbon Witch of the South. And today we're going to be just going through the rest of the ribbon. Now I do have more ribbon than these. It's just that I would have to do it in a part 3. So we just want to do part 2 and get her done. So we're going to start off with some ghosties. Some cute little boo ghosties. They've got a lot of stuff going on in the back. Look at this little guy. He's got a little frog here. He's holding a little frog. This one's in a pumpkin. This one's got his little pumpkin full of candy with a kitty cat and a sucker. And here's one that's behind the ripped grave. This one's got candy corn. And then they've got the boo. And they've got all kinds of designs going on in the background there. Really cute, very colorful. This is a 7/8 inch pattern, and it's white on the background. Okay, these are little bears, little trick-or-treat bears, and ghosts, and pumpkins, and spider webs, and it says boo. And you've got ghosts coming up out of the pumpkins, and this guy's got his little cauldron with his pumpkins stacked up there. And this is a 1-inch pattern. How about some eyeballs? How about some spooky eyes? Spooky eyes looking at you. This is let me double check. This is a 7/8 inch pattern. And it's white on the back. Big, cute accent pattern there. Yep. How about some Halloween owls? Halloween owls. Going the wrong direction on this one. Okay. These owls are all dressed up in their costumes. You got Dracula and the Mummy and a witch. And the green one, I believe, is Frankenstein. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different owls before the pattern repeats itself. And it's white on the background. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. Let's see, we got Minnie and Mickey. Happy Halloween! Minnie's here. She's got her cauldron. And then you got Minnie over here flying, and Mickey flying, Mickey in a pumpkin, Minnie dressed up like a candy corn. Here you've got Mickey as Dracula, and there you've got Minnie and Mickey coming out of a pumpkin. That's cute. Cute, white on the back. It's got ghosts and what is that? Ghosts and pumpkins and fall leaves are in the background. And it's just a really cute Mickey pattern. Actually, I have some Mickey flatbacks that, let's see what I do with them. Here they are. There's a couple of them that can go good with this or with any of the Halloween ones. Now I make the pattern inside, and when you go to look for these, you're going to find them under the bottle caps, and when you pick your design, you're going to get 3 of that design, and you can pick whatever backing you want, whatever color you want. There's a lot of different colors. You don't have to have the black. You can have different colors too, and the price is for 3, and they will come individually wrapped. And I have all different colors that you can, all different not combinations. I have all different designs. I have all different designs that you can choose from. There's a bunch of them. So go check those out. And that would go cute with this ribbon here. Alright, now we have some little girls, different little girls. I think they're like little fairies. Little fairies. Here's a little fairy, and she's on the pumpkin. There's a little ghost. The next one she's coming out of the pumpkin with her broomstick. And you've got little fairies with little ghosts flying around. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different scenes before the pattern repeats itself. And this is a 1-inch pattern. Cute, cute, cute. How about some candy corn? Candy corns dressed up in their costumes. Oh, you got pretty much the same thing. You got Dracula and Frankenstein, the Mummy, and a witch candy corn. They cute with the dots in the background. Now that dot ribbon that I showed you in part 1, that would go cute with this, and I just happen to have it sitting right here. So let's check these out. See, wouldn't that be fun? A fun pattern, and that it's got glitter. The circles have glitter, and that would be really cute together. And this is a 1-inch pattern. So both of those are 1 inch. And let's see, we got some little witch with her kitty cat. The kitty cat is dressed as a pumpkin, or he's coming up out of the back side of the pumpkin. And she's got bats flying around her. Very cute. And this is a 1-inch pattern. Now I got some more Mickey here. Mickey and Minnie. Now he's dressed up as a pirate. He's got his pirate costume on, and she's dressed up like a bee. And they've got their trick-or-treat pumpkin and trick-or-treat bag. And the pattern just repeats itself with bats flying around. Back of it is white, and this is a 7/8 inch pattern. About some more eyes. This time we got them in purple. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. Get the eyes coming in, you know, lurking at you in the dark. That's what these are. Those are those eyes that blink and you see them in the dark. The dark. In the dark. Alrighty, we got some colored eyeballs now. Spooky, spooky colored eyes with the black background. The back of the ribbon is white, and this is a 1-inch pattern. We do some accent ribbon. These are big chevrons. The ones that I showed you in part 1, they were thinner chevrons. But this is a 7/8 inch pattern. White on the background. Cute accent pattern. Actually, this would go good with this one. This cute little pattern right here. This has got these little witches and their frogs, and it's their book of spells right here. And she's got her cauldron, and I think that would go cute with that right there, don't you think? And this one here, this is a 1-inch pattern. Okay, so 7/8, 1 inch. Now I showed you this in part 1 in a 5/8. And this one is a, let me check. This is a 7/8 inch pattern with the bats and the candy corn. And this is, no it's not. Okay, I thought it might be embossed, but it's not. With the black and clear circles. And white on the back. My gosh, you guys, I've got so much ribbon piled up. It's crazy. That's crazy. Right, here's some more chevron. I think you got an extra color in this one that maybe you didn't have in that bigger one. The bigger one had 3. Yeah, this one has the pink added to it. Very cute for Halloween. And this is a 7/8 inch. This is a 7/8 inch pattern. See, and I also have it in this one that I showed you in the other part. See, the chevrons going the different direction. Okay. All right, how about some pumpkins? Some pumpkins. Lots of pumpkin faces. 1, 2, 3. Well, you got 3 different ones, but aren't they cute with their smiles and their noses and their different shaped pumpkins? And the border has different colored dots. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern, white on the back. Very, very cute. Very cute. And we're going to do some candy corn. Candy corn. This is a 7/8 inch pattern. And it just keeps repeating itself. White on the background, and the border has candy corns along the border there. Alright, 7/8 inch. And we got some cute little ghosties here. Little ghosty boy and girl. You've got two girl ghosties. They got on their little hair bows. You got candy here, and a candy corn, and a pumpkin. That's an candied apple, and a candied pumpkin, and the little boy ghost. And there's like confetti in the background there, with a pink and orange border. And the back is white, and this is a 1 inch pattern. And that chevron would go cute with that. Or a spider ribbon would go cute with that. Now we got some Minion Halloween. And you got Minion ghosts and Minion dressed up as a witch. And it says boo, and they've got bats flying around them, and stars. And the back is white, and this is a 7/8 inch pattern. Okay. Here we've got some more. Now this is a Mickey. You got a Mickey head and a Mickey ghost and the Mickey bats. See how they have the Mickey ears, and the candy corn even has Mickey ears with black dots. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern, and white on the back. Got some more eyeballs, some more eyes. These are just bloodshot eyes with like, this has got like blood splatter. Kind of neat. Different colored eyes. Different sizes, white on the back, and this is a 1 inch pattern. Oh, look at a relative! Yay! Hey, Granny! Well, here we go. We've got the witch from, I do believe that this is Sleeping Beauty. Is that? Oh no, Snow White. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Yeah, she was the one that tried to bring the apple, the poison apple, to Snow White and get her to eat it, which she did. This is a 1 inch. Isn't she cool? I love her googly eyes. Big old eyes. The green background. Okay, that was fun. Now we've got some cupcakes. Some Halloween cupcakes with candy corn and Halloween candy and spiders and bats and witches' hats and pumpkins. And this is all pretty much like a cream colored orange and black. Very simple. White on the back. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. So, yeah. So we've got some Halloween chevron, black, orange, yellow, and white. White on the back, and this is a 7/8 inch. Okay, And how about some candy corn? How fun are these guys? They look like they would be so delicious. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different characters before the pattern repeats itself. Nice bright colors, white on the back, and this is a 7/8 inch pattern. And I did a hair bow using that, and there's the little characters inside, and my little flat backs or bottle caps. Pretty cute, huh? My granddaughter loves it. She says, I want that one, Grandma. When Halloween getting close, I want that one. All right. And let's see, we got some more Mickey. Mickey and Minnie. Minnie's got on her hair bow, and Mickey's got on the witch's hat with their magic wand. And this is a embossed, well, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if it is or not. It feels like it is, but it is and it isn't. Let's put it that way. White on the background, and this is a 7/8. Those bright oranges and pinks and purples. Cute, cute for Halloween. And then we've got some, I hadn't even opened this one yet. Here's some more Halloween chevron. The orange and black chevron. And this is a 1 inch with a white background. Okay, and we've got some Halloween witches here. You've got from Melissa, I can't say her name. Melissa, okay. Anyway, you know these characters. And this is a 1 inch ribbon. And it's white on the back. All right, I wanted to show you a few other things, like the Jack Skellington. I've got him in different patterns. Okay, you just go under bottle caps, pick your pattern, you get 3 of it, and they come packaged just like that. Here's another one. And then I've got some flat backs, some Halloween flat backs. This, the candy-filled pumpkins. And let's see, we've got a ghost, and he's gathered up all of his candy corn. And we've got a trick or treat, I'm so sweet, flat back. Isn't that cute? Trick or treat, I'm so sweet. And here's a few more of the Mickey. Minnie. Here's Donald, dressed up as a mummy. And here's Minnie, dressed up as a bee. And Goofy, he's dressed up as a scarecrow. And Daisy, she's dressed up as the witch from Sleeping Beauty. I do believe that's who that is. Okay, y'all, that's it. We've gone through all the Halloween ribbon. Well, not all of it. I still have some that I'm not showing because I just have too much. So I hope you enjoyed your time with me, and I hope you have a great Halloween. That's like my favorite time of the year. Second favorite time of the year. Anyway, have a great and safe Halloween, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.